Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to extract moringa oil from the seed. First, gather high-quality, mature moringa seeds. These should be dry and firm to the touch. Next, carefully remove the outer shell and any papery wings from each seed. This step is crucial for efficient processing. Finally, ensure all the shelled seeds are clean, washing them gently if necessary, and then drying them completely before moving on. Once your seeds are prepared, the next step is to crush them. You can use a traditional mortar and pestle, which is effective for smaller batches, or a mechanical grinder for larger quantities. The goal is to break down the seeds into a coarse, yet consistent, powder. This increases the surface area, making the oil extraction process much more efficient in the next stage. Now it is time for the actual oil extraction. Carefully load your finely ground moringa seed powder into a cold press machine. This method preserves the oil's nutritional value. As the machine applies steady pressure, you will see the golden yellow oil begin to flow out. Collect this crude moringa oil in a clean, sterile container, ready for the final purification step. The final steps involve purifying and properly storing your precious moringa oil. Pour the crude oil through a fine mesh strainer or several layers of cheesecloth to remove any lingering sediment. This filtration ensures a clear, pure product. For long-term freshness, store your finished moringa oil in a dark, airtight glass bottle, away from direct sunlight and heat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.